Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will tell you how to fix api-ms-win-core-winrt-L1-1-0.dll AcroRd32.exe system error. If you are facing this error, keep the video till the end and follow the following steps. First, when you are facing this problem, go to the setting. Now click on the window update and check for the window update. This error is occurred due to the outdated window. So check the window. If update is available, then update the window first and check the error. If it persists, then next is now press window plus R button and type here app-biz.cpl and press the enter. Now search here Adobe Acrobat Reader and uninstall the app. Now go to the browser and search here api-ms-win-core-winrt and go to the trusted website. I am going to the dlfile.com. Click on this and scroll down. Now download this file. After downloading this, I'm for Windows. Click on this and download. Once download the file, click on the file location. Now right click on it and extract all file. Extract here. Now replace. I'm doing already, so it's asking for replace. Now right click on this file and copy this. After copy this, click on the window E button from your keyboard. Now click on the this PC and go to the window C. Now click on the windows. Now click on the syswow64 and paste the file here. After paste, check the error. If the error is persist, then follow the next step is the next solution is click on the search icon and search here cmd and click as run as administrator. Now type here sfc slash scan now and press the enter. Once the complete the process, restart your window. Your problem is fixed. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.